Let's talk. When's the last time you changed your needle? The fact is, a needle won't last forever. There are 4 clues that shout it's time for a change. The thread is breaking or shredding, so change the needle. The stitches are skipping or are kind of wiggly squiggly. Change the needle. The fabric is puckering, snagging, or leaving holes. Change the needle. Maybe your machine is making a popping or clicking sound. Or if the needle is really dull, a clunking sound. Change your needle. The rule of thumb is to replace the needle every 8 hours of sewing. Depending on your project, technique, and fabrics, 8 hours may be too frequent or not enough. Get into the routine of starting every project with a fresh needle. Some projects may require changing the needle multiple times. Be in tune with your machine. Look and listen for clues to change the needle. You've invested a lot of time and money in your machine, beautiful threads, and fabrics. So protect your investment. Change your needle.